We want to continue our solution on 2024 Waec Mathematics past question. And here we have question number 21, all right? We are given a diagram and the instruction says, in the diagram, line MN is parallel to line KL, right? This KL, which is parallel to this line. This sign suggests that they are parallel. Then line ML and KN intersect at X. This is Kn and this is Ml. They have intersection at X. Then the length of the length of line Mn is 12. Then the length of Mx is 10. The length of KL is 9. If the area of triangle MXN, the area of this triangle is 16 centimeters squared, calculate the area of triangle LXK. This is triangle LXK. So we are looking for the area of this triangle, or the area of this triangle was given, right? So we adopt the method of scale factor to solve this. But before we use the scale factor to solve it, we have to be sure that these triangles are congruent. What do we mean by congruent? That they have corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Now let's test this. This line is parallel to this line, right? So what it means is that this is a transversal and this also is a transversal. Now when you have a transversal line, the angle formed here is always equal to the angle formed here. That is alternate angles. Now the angle formed here is also equal to the angle formed here, right? Alternate angles. And this angle here, let's call it alpha, is equal to the angle here. Vertically opposite angles are always equal, okay? So you could see that these are similar triangles, and if they are similar triangles, then we can use a scale factor method to simplify. Now remember that the area of this triangle is 16 centimeters squared, but we are looking for the area of the other triangle. So how do we solve the scale factor? Before we say the formula of scale factor, let's consider the lengths of this diagram also. Now, since the angles are corresponding, that means the lengths should correspond. So this length will correspond to this length. Then this length should correspond to this length, because you observe that this angle and this angle are equal. Then this length corresponds to this length. But we don't really have need for all of these other lengths. We can make do with this length and this length. Now, what does the formula for scale factor says? The length of one of the triangles over the corresponding length, let me use L1 and L2, squared, is equal to the area, let's say area 2, the area for this length, over the area 1, which is the area for this other length. All right. So let's consider 12 as the L2. Therefore, we'll have 12 over our L1 is 9, then square it, equals the area of this guy, which is 16, over the area of this length 9, which is what we are looking for. It was not given, right? So leave it as A1. All right. So we can simplify from here. 12 squared will give us 144. 9 squared will give us 81, equals 16 over A. Now make A the subject formula. That means you will have A equals 16 times 81 over 144, making A the subject formula. You will cross and multiply and divide by coefficients of A. Just know how to simplify stuff like this. So we now multiply. We have 16 times 81 as 1296 over, so we divide by 144. That will give us the area as 9. So it is measured in square units. All right, so the area of this other triangle is 9. You can take the video back again and again to understand the steps very well. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, subscribe for more interesting math tutorials, and don't forget to share it to all your contacts or your friends. Meet you in my next upload. Bye.